Hello everyone, welcome to Quantsapp. Myself Vignesh. Thanks for your valuable time. Thanks for joining me yet again in this video. So, what about today's topic? What we are going to learn in today's topic? You might have already seen it in the thumbnail. Always obey real mentors' advice. Now, who is the real mentor? Okay, any specific person from YouTube, any specific person from Telegram, like each and every one of us. Like when we started our trading journey initially, we might have followed a specific person, you can say, or we might have followed any specific TV channels as such, we can say. But most of you, or else I would say almost every one of you, those who have tried to follow someone, those who have tried to take your trades looking at someone else, might have ended up losing money for sure. Correct? Even I started my trading career by looking into some YouTube channel and by following some Telegram advices in Telegram. So most of us have initially done this, and most of us have burnt our fingers by doing this. Correct? So who is the real mentor? किसको follow करना चाहिए? Exactly, who is the real mentor? If you ask me, according to me, okay, according to me, the real mentor is always the data, I would say. Combine data with technical charts. There is no better mentor than, you can say, data. Correct? So today we will be talking about data. Like I would explain you one of the tool of Quantsapp, we can say, how you can optimize it, and also will guide you about the what all tools we have, what all data points Quantsapp has, will definitely cover in brief. I won't give you an in-depth idea of each and every tool, but we'll try to cover 3 to 4 tools, how you can filter out and you can take trades based on data. Okay, now before getting into this video, I would like to tell you a few things. Like if someone might have watched my yesterday's video about 4 steps which I have posted, 4 steps what you are supposed to do before taking a trade in index, like it was posted yesterday. You can go and check. We'll discuss about that yesterday's trade, and we'll link it with today's topic, follow the data. Okay, and we'll see the result as well. But before that, before getting into it, as we need the concept of futures OI built up for today's topic as well, so we'll again like to cover the same. Okay, I know most of you might have got bored with the same concept of futures OI, but helpless, because most I would say more and more people are joining Quantsapp, and more viewers are actually viewing the video day by day. So most of them actually don't know the concept of futures OI, so I have to cover it. Those who have watched can skip it, but it's my I would say my job to teach you, so I'll do this. Okay, so let's go with futures OI first, because whatever I'm going to cover is actually connected with this. So let me start with this, and then we'll go and discuss yesterday's data point, like how we gauged Nifty's move based on data. Apart from that, we'll cover few data points which Quantsapp has. Okay. So first, what is futures OI? Okay, there are 4 built-ups, as you know. First is long, second is long unwinding, third is short, fourth is short covering. Correct? So the 2 components that you need to gauge whether a particular stock is in long or long unwinding, short or short covering, you need price is the first one, second is the open interest. With price and open interest, you can actually gauge whether a particular stock or a sector is in long built up or in short or short covering, whatever. Now, whenever we say that a particular sector or a particular stock is in long built up, that means the price goes up and even the open interest goes up. Correct? When the price and open interest simultaneously goes up, we can say that that particular counter is following a long built up. Okay. Now, what is long unwinding? What is long unwinding? Long unwinding and short are one and the same. This is what the people believe. There is a misconception that long unwinding and short is one and the same, because in long the price comes down and also in short the price drops down. Correct? So people usually have a wrong perception about it. Let me clear. long unwinding is not short. Okay, both are different. There is a difference between both of this. So what is long unwinding? Basically, long unwinding, I would say, is profit booking. Okay, when, say for example, you have bought a stock at 500 rupees and you are expecting it to touch 1,000 rupees by a few months, but within few days you can expect that the stock has touched 600 or say 650 and you have gained a handsome return. Being a retailer, what we usually do, we usually go and square it off. So when most of the retailers square off, you can say the price drops down, and when new contracts that were opened at 500 levels are being closed at 600 or say 650, whatever, the open interest also drops down. Correct? What is short? So whenever there is a short built up, what happens is price usually comes down because people are believing that the stock is going to go down. They will short the stock heavily. So price drops down and open interest shoots up because fresh short contracts are being initiated. Correct? Now what is short covering? Short covering and long unwinding is almost same. Okay, what is short? What is long unwinding? A stock goes up and it retraces. This part is called long unwinding. Now, what is short covering? Say a stock drops, it goes up, again it drops. So this part is called short covering, we can say. Say for example, a stock is trading at 200 levels. You are expecting that stock to touch 150 levels, and say for example, a stock won't touch 150 from 200 overnight. There is a possibility in case of some news and all, but usually we don't see this happening. Correct? So from 200 it will come to 180 levels. From there it will bounce back to 185. Then again it will retrace. So this process of short and then recovery, then again short, then recovery, this is called as short covering. You can say this part is called as short covering. So in short covering, the price slightly inches higher and open interest drops down. Okay. Now let's move on to the yesterday's concept. Okay, now let me go to track and let me go to built up script symbol. Let me plot cycle. Those who have watched yesterday's video will be able to relate to this, but those who haven't, kindly check the yesterday's video and then get back to this video. Yesterday what I told you based on cycles. Nifty. See, most of us actually thought that Nifty is going to break from here, correct? Because it broke even 23, I would say 24,000 it broke, and even 23,900 got tested. The low made was, I think, 23,893 approximately. Spot, Nifty spot made a low of 23,893 approximately. So even 23,900 got broken. So most of us thought that Nifty is going to plunge further downside, correct? But yesterday while making the video, I told you I cannot see any short over here. There was long and then 3 long unwinding. Even today, if you see, there is short covering. There is no short in Nifty. Hardly I can see 2 shorts. So data was very much clear that Nifty was not going to go down. Data was clear. What I told you, if Nifty starts sustaining below say 24,000 or 23,900, then think about short. Yesterday what we planned? We planned a bull put spread. If you remember yesterday's video, we planned a bull put spread. What we did? We bought ATM put of 24,000. We sold 24,500 ITM put. Correct? If you would have executed that, you would have made a decent money, I would say, behind even one lot. Because today if you see, Nifty moved approximately 250 to 300 points, Nifty moved, correct? So data is still not indicating any weakness, I would say. So that is the power of data. Okay, so those who have missed yesterday's video, kindly go and check. We discussed Nifty yesterday. Okay, so looking at the data, I told you clear cut. Yes, there is a possibility it might go down, but think of short only when it sustains below 23,900, not before that. And as you see today, Nifty gapped up by 200, 250 points and it is trading somewhere near 24,300, 250 odd levels it is trading, correct? So I hope you can, those who have viewed the yesterday's video will be able to link what I am saying. Those who are new, kindly check out yesterday's video, the 4 steps, the thumbnail is, the title is 4 steps, I think 4 steps to take a trade in index. Okay, so kindly go and check that. Okay, so now, as we said, today's topic is about the real trading mentor's advice, correct? So who is the real trading mentor? Whose advice you are supposed to follow? So you got the answer. Okay, the answer is data itself is the real mentor. So let's go and check out few data, like what exactly Quantsapp has to offer you, what all data points will help you to improvise your trading journey. But before getting into it, if you are new to Quantsapp and you haven't installed the Quantsapp application, the link for installing the application is given in the description. So kindly install it at the earliest. So what all benefits you will get if you install? You can unlock the benefit of 25 free tools immediately as soon as you install this application. So definitely those 25 free tools will help to improvise your trading journey for sure. Correct. And apart from that, if you know, Quantsapp has approximately 75 to 80 tools. So 25 tools are free, but what about the rest 50-55 paid tools? If you want to know more about those paid tools, okay, like exactly how they can add value to your trading journey, what you can do is, in description I have shared the video libraries link that is free for everyone, absolutely free. Just click on that link, that will redirect you to the video library. You can go and check out all our videos for free, or else if you have logged into the application, kindly click on learn, click on video library. So basically video library is the banks of videos. You will be getting access to approximately all the tools, I would say almost all the tools which Quantsapp has. There are approximately 80 tools. You can go and check out all the 80 tools, that too in multiple languages: English, Hindi, Marathi and Tamil. Choose the language as per your convenience, explore these videos, and if you have any query pertaining to any tool, feel free to contact us at the helpline number immediately. Okay, and you will be getting the response at the earliest. Now let's get into today's topic. Let's see a few data points what Quantsapp has. So first we'll go and check out, say, trap indicator. Okay, so we'll cover broadly, I'll try to cover 5 to 6 tools which will help you to know the overall like data what Quantsapp has. Okay, so this is trap indicator. Now what does this trap indicator tells you? Okay, so here basically you will be getting two kinds of signals, I would say. Okay, say a call writer trap and put writer trap. Now what does it mean? What does it mean by call writer trap? Now call writer trap means, say for example there are call writers at this level, say this is a resistance and there are call writers present at this level. Okay, give me a second, let me explain it to you. Say this is a resistance level and this is a support level. Okay, and say a stock is trading oscillating between this. Now say the stock is breaching this support. Okay, say the stock is breaching this resistance. Okay, so what will usually happen? The call writers at this level are now getting trapped. Correct, call writers at this level are now getting trapped, and there is a possibility that the stock might move upside from here. So how would you know in which stock the call writers are getting trapped, in which stock the put writers are getting trapped? Correct. So here if you check, you will get a list of all the stocks date wise. Like see, on today Voltas there is a put writers trap, on United Spirits there is call writers trap. So this is a positional trading tool. Okay, you can combine this with built up cycle and you can go and plan a trade. The next data point which we will be seeing is built up cycle, so it will be easy for you to link both. Okay, so say for example today I can see a Voltas put writers trap over here. So this is a end of the day trading tool. You are supposed to check this tool at the end of the day and not before that. So say tomorrow you can plan a trade in Voltas maybe on the downside, because the put writers are getting trapped. Those who have sold the put are getting trap. Now if the cycles are confirming, then we will go now how to check out the cycle. That is a secondary part, we will cover that as well. But as of now you will be getting two signals, call writers and put writers trap. Call writer trap indicates bullishness, put writer trap indicates bearishness. You can take a trade on the next day provided there is no significant gap up or gap down. Now what is significant? For me, anything over and above 1.5% in futures, I consider it as a significant movement, say 1.5% to 2%. I will usually avoid taking trade. Say if Voltas, this put writer trap signals, okay, this is a signal. By the end of the day, if this signal remains constant, okay, say this signal stays stagnant, because there is a possibility that the signal might change. So that is the reason why I am asking you to check this tool at the end of the day. Today the market has not yet closed, it's 240. So post 3:30 go and check out. If this is stagnant, you can go and take a trade next day, provided there is no significant gap up or gap down. One more thing, this is not a standalone trading tool, so we'll go and cover cycles, what the cycle says now. Okay, say track, go to built up script. Let me give you an overall idea about what is built up script. See, here there is search symbol. You can go and check out any stock that you want to check. Say this is ZYD, that is Zydus Life. Okay, so Zydus Life, price, open interest, everything you can see. Now the important thing here is say narration. Okay, what is narration? Narration you will be getting, see the four things: long, long unwinding, short and short covering. Color coding is given. So you are supposed to check out before entering into any trade. If you want to know whether this particular counter is following long built up or short built up or long unwinding or short covering, you can check it in the narration. So whatever stocks you pick, you can check the narration. Now expiry date, you can check the expiry as per your convenience. For index specific, if you are an index trader, you can go and set the expiry. If you are an stock specific trader, then 29th August will be your expiry for August month, correct? So you can fix the expiry, you can select the stock, and here if you see, if you want to check out only the stocks that are in long, you can go and check out long. If you want short, you can check out short. So all the stocks that are having short built up will be appearing on your screen now, correct? So I hope this is clear. Now let's move on to cycles. Okay, so what is cycles? What does cycle talk about? Okay, so say for example, here again you can see the color coding: long, long unwinding, short, short covering, correct? Now this gives you, see the look back period is 20 over here. That means you can see the historical data of the past 20 days. Now here reading is given. Say for example, you want to check out the long and stock that are following long and long unwinding cycle, then what you can do is just simply click on L-LU. Now this option is unlocked, correct? Count. Now what you are supposed to do is you can go and type 14 over here, 14. Okay, so what does this mean? Okay, now this means that out of what I have feeded, in the system is out of 20 days, 14 days I need those stocks where long and long unwinding cycle is being followed. Okay, now let me press apply. These are the counters where in the past 20 days, 14 days, long and long unwinding cycles are being followed. Aarti Industries, Atul, Oro Pharma, Bajaj Auto, Bajaj Finserv, BPCL, Chambal Fertilizer, and the list goes on. Can you see? So these are the counters where long and long unwinding cycle is being followed. So if you are planning a bullish trade, say now try to link it with trap indicator. Say trap indicator is giving you a call right as trap, and you want to cross check. Say what was the signal? I think we saw Voltas, correct? Voltas, there was a put right as trap or something, correct? So let me come here and let me cross check Voltas. Check. Voltas, I don't think so there is a short and short covering cycle, so I won't take the trade, correct? So this is how you are supposed to go and check out trap indicator, confirm it with this, confirm it with cycles, what the cycles are saying. If the cycles and trap indicator are getting aligned, you can go with it, else you can opt for it. See, it is not necessary that you are supposed to take a trade based on trap and cycles only, correct? There are n number of tools which you can follow. If you are not getting the trade, you are not supposed to take the trade forcibly, correct? You can ignore it and you can move on to the next trade. Okay, so now say for example, if you want to find out those counters wherein short and short covering cycle is being followed, just click on this. Instead of L-L, you click for S-SC 2014, apply. You don't have any data as of now, so there is no data wherein short and short covering cycle is being followed. Give me a second. 2014 S-SC, apply. Okay, we have it, correct? See, Astral, Bajaj Finance, BEL, Bharti Airtel, BHEL. Can you see? So these are the counters where short and short covering cycles are being followed. If you are seeing any put writer trap and accordingly the same stock is reflecting over here with this condition and both are getting aligned, that means you can go with it. Okay, so this is the significance of cycle. You can definitely go and check out the historical movements, and based on that you can predict the upcoming move. Now let's go to future over historical. This is nothing Future OI historical is nothing but the same thing is given in the bar format. Okay, the past 20 days data you can go and check out. Okay, so I hope this might be clear to you. Now what else? What else proprietary tools does Quantsapp has? What else data points does Quantsapp have which will be helpful to you? Go to analyze. Let's check out price OI percentile. Under price and volume, go to price OI percentile. What is price OI percentile? Let me explain you the concept in a very crisp manner. Say for example, let me get into the blackboard. I have posted a separate video on price OI percentile. You can definitely go and check this. I'll explain it to you in shortly. I won't give any examples as such, but will explain you the data point. Okay. Say for example, a price has made a high and then the price is consolidating, and say this is the highest level of the price. Okay. So in competitive exams, as usually you see, the one who secures the highest mark, we usually give it as 99 percentile. Correct. So say this is the highest and I have given it as 99 percentile. Now again the price is trying to approach the previous high, but I'm not sure whether the price is going to break out or not. That is a secondary part. But say the price is again trying to approach its previous swing high. So when the price is somewhere near to its previous swing high, the percentile over here will be above 90. Correct? Above 90, say it might be 95, 94, 93. But what I want is, whenever the price is about to approach its previous swing high, I need to filter out those stocks, because see, if the price is trying to approach its previous swing high, there are two possibilities. Either the price might break out or the price might retrace from there. Correct? So say for example, if the price percentile is 90 or more, say more than 90, then price percent I will filter. I will put a filter. Say, let me explain you. See, here what I'll do is I'll put a filter for those stocks where the price percentile is more than 90. That means that stock is somewhere approaching its previous swing high. Okay, so there is a two possibility now. Either it might break out or it might break down. Correct? So how would I know? Now that again you will get to know from open interest. Okay, open interest is another component which will give you the confirmation whether this swing high is sustainable, whether it is going to break this or whether it is going to retrace from here. So if OI is also 90 plus, if the price percentile is 90 plus, along with it if OI is also 90 plus, that means even this time when the price is making another swing high, the participation is also strong enough. So when the participation is strong enough and it is supporting the price up move, we can expect a breakout. Sometimes what happens, price moves but there is no such support from you can say there is no enough participation to validate this up move. Correct? So when price is up, along with it, if the open interest is also moving, if the open interest is also up, we can expect a definite breakout this time. Correct? So now let me go to Quantsapp homepage and let me give you an overall idea about this interface first. So here there is search symbol. If you want to go and check out any tool, you can definitely go, and any stock you can definitely go and check out. Okay, the look back period is very important over here. We have kept it as 180. We have back tested and kept it as 180. So if you want to tweak it, you can tweak it to your whims and fancies. There is no such issues. So you can keep it as 90. You can keep it as 60, whatever you want. If you are trying to reduce the look back period, you will be definitely getting more number of trades, but not sure about the quality of the trades. If you keep it as 180, this is tried and tested, definitely you will be getting some quality trades over here. So sort by symbols, just click it on price percentile. Okay, now if you see here, it is giving you the overall view. Okay, say price percentile greater than 80, how many stocks are there wherein price percentile is more than 80, that is 102. How many stocks are there wherein price percentile is less than 20, that is 13. Correct? So here you can get the overall you can say a bird's eye view. Now see, price percentile I have sorted. I'll do it in descending order. So see, Atul, Alchem, Oro Pharma, Balrampur Chini. So these are the counters where price percentile you can say, sorry, Atul and Alchem you can say the wherein the price percentile is more than 90 and OI is also more than 90. Here if you see Lupin also price is more than 90, open interest is more than 90. So there is a possibility that this might break out. Now how would I know when the price percentile and OI both cross 90? Okay, I am not supposed to check this and randomly jump and take a trade. Correct? I have to check out because I might be late. this 90-90 might have triggered yesterday, day before yesterday, or even 1 month back. I don't know. So whether I am on the right counter at the right time or not is very important. Okay. So let me go to symbol wise and let me check Lupin now. I am randomly checking Lupin. You can go and check out any stock as per your convenience. Okay. So let me plot Lupin. So check when price and OI both cross 90. When was the first time? Okay. See the date wise, follow the tabular format, check 90-90. The first time price and OI both cross 90 was 4th July. Can you see? Price was 1760. Immediately, if you see, in the next 2 days, price shot up to 1822. And currently, the price is trading somewhere around 1998. That is approximately 2000. So, immediately in the next 2 to 3 days, if you saw 50 points up move you got. So, this is how price OI percentile helps you to find out the breakout trades. Similarly, what you are supposed to do is filter out, okay, and filter out this price percentile, keep it in ascending format. Also you can find short trades using this. Say price percentile is less than 10 and OI is above 90. Now if the price percentile is less than 10, that means price is somewhere near to its previous swing low, correct? Along with it, if the price is near to its previous swing low, along with it, if the open interest again should be above 90, no compromise in OI. OI is above 90, price is below 10. What does it mean? Price going down, OI shooting up, short built up. So you can expect that more and more people are shorting here and we can expect a further breakdown. So this is how you can go and find out a breakout or breakdown trade using price OI percentile. So another one of the, I would say, fancy tool which you can definitely use. Okay, this will definitely help you to improvise your trading. Apart from that, for let's talk something for option writers. Okay, so if you go to trading under option writer, I have posted an in-depth video about option writer. You can definitely go and check. But before that, what option writer exactly tells you, I'll give you the overall view. Okay, so here if you see, writing attractiveness is given. Okay, so it considers before giving your range. So basically what is option writer? If you are selecting any stock, if you are feeding the expiry and if you are plotting the number of days, okay, say for example I have plotted it at 8, that means I want to hold it for 8 days, so it will automatically give you a range, which call to sell, which put to sell. In short, it is going to give you a strangle, which strangle you are supposed to sell. Okay, and then you are supposed to check out this overall signal. If the overall signal is yellow, see here, yellow is moderate, red is risky, green is lucrative. So if it is green, you can go ahead with it. If it is not green, you can better stay away from it. Okay, so it's purely up to you. So as of now in Lupin, I don't see any sell position which is favorable, correct? Here you can see the risk reward. So here if you see, the risk is 9,000 and the reward is only 4,000. That is why it is giving me a red signal. So whenever this risk to reward is lucrative, it will automatically give you green signal. So you can go and check out in Nifty, you can go and check out in BankNifty, you can go and check out in stock. So whenever you get a green signal, you can go with it. If you click on execute, it will show you the profit alert, SL alert, everything, and you will get the notification automatically in the Telegram as well as in the mobile application. Okay, so this is one such thing which will be helpful for option writers. Okay, now what about volatility? Okay, so is there anything for traders who love volatility? Yes, Quantsapp has for them as well. So let me go to search and let me go to Vol Trader. Check out Vol Trader. So what is Vol Trader? Let me give you a crisp again. So in Vol Trader, you will be getting signals where the volatility has shot up, where the volatility is down. Now, if you see, you will be getting two kind of signals, long volatility and short volatility. As of now, let me check out short volatility. As of now, there is no signal for short volatility in the system. Okay, see here, short volatility. Okay, so you will be getting long volatility as well as short volatility. What does this mean? If it is showing you long volatility, that means volatility is down and there is a possibility that volatility might go up. Not talking about the underlying, I am talking about the volatility. So if it is showing you long volatility, that means volatility is beaten down, volatility is down, volatility might rise up. So if volatility rises up, premium might rise. So in this case, you can go and execute a strangle or a straddle. Okay, long straddle or a long straddle, depends up to you, depending upon your risk and reward. Okay, now short volatility means what? Short volatility means the volatility has shot up. There is a possibility that volatility might come down because volatility never sustains on the higher end. So volatility is bound to drop from higher end, correct? So if volatility drops down, ultimately the premium will go down. So in that case, what you can execute? You can go and execute a, say, short straddle or a butterfly, or you can say short iron condor, anything. Okay, so this is how you can use vol trader as well. Apart from that, if you ask me one more thing, for intraday lovers especially, this I have covered n number of times. So one more time, for intraday stock specific trader, go to track, go to triggers. So this is one such thing wherein you will be getting automatic resistance and automatic support levels. Okay, automatic resistance and automatic support levels. Okay, and here the first column is change in OI. I have given an in-depth video on this. Definitely go and check out. Okay, so what this tool tells you is, as long as the stock, say, sustains below this resistance level, you are not supposed to initiate any trade. Whenever the stock crosses this resistance level, and if you see unwinding, that is if the change in OI is negative, you can go and enter into a trade. Similarly, this strike, this indicates support level. Whenever the stock breaks this support, and if you see unwinding at change in OI turns negative, that is unwinding is seen, you can go and initiate a bearish trade. This is for intraday lovers. Also, you can carry the position for, say, max to max 1 or 2 days, not more than that. Okay, so these are the few tools. Like, I have given you the glimpse of like what exactly Quantsapp has. Apart from that, if you want to know more about each and every tool, there are n number of tools. You can definitely go and visit the video library. Click on the video library link. Okay, so it will automatically redirect you to the video library. You can go and check out the videos in any language as per your convenience. I hope you loved this video. So like, share, subscribe. Okay, and stay tuned. We'll see you soon in the next video. Thank you. Thanks everyone for your valuable time.